Our Gulf Coast facility boasts 48,000 square foot, high-end, high-efficiency fabrication shop, located at 6410 Langfield Road, Houston, Texas. We are capable of producing 6,500 diameter inches of high-grade alloy pipe welding per week. Legion's welding program is fostered by founder and CEO Eric Hebert. Each craftsman we hire goes through Legion's extensive training program. We are participating members of ComplyWorks and IS Networld. Our shop has 8 monorails with 2-ton overhead electric hoist, 2 25 overhead cranes inside our shop, and 2 35-ton outdoor overhead cranes for efficient loading and offloading. 9 LJ weld positioners capable of handling up to 42 inches in diameters. 38 inverter welders. An indoor hydrostatic test station. 80-foot track positioner capable of splicing double random pipe sections up to 60 feet in length. We also offer field installation services, routine maintenance, and pipeline services. Legion's safety is unmatched in the industry. It is first in every task we do. We have achieved 196,000 safe man-hours in 2022, with 0 recordable injuries. We also have a shop settled in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, so we are capable of handling high-end, high-performance welding for all of North America. We have performed on major capital projects work for Interpipeline and Honeywell UOP, fabricating modules for PDH plants.